Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now, Ctoc has raided the home of Jean and Paton, the former SSL advisor. Now it seems that Andre Stevens was right and that SSL bosses are being targeted by law enforcement for their role in the fraud scandal. Now she has said that she did not personally take a dime from Usain Bolt, but clearly she might know who. Me I'm going to see what I go on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
The quiet, peaceful atmosphere of an upscale apartment complex nestled in the hills of Upper St. Andrew was disturbed this afternoon. Police vehicles, both marked and unmarked, arrived in a column shortly after midday. Police in uniform and civilian dress, some wearing balaclavas and armed with short-barreled rifles, piled out of the vehicles and entered the premises. Confused residents of the complex emerged from their apartments, curious as to what was unfolding. However, the police were only interested in one unit, located at the back of the complex. They cordoned off the area and escorted the media group off the compound. It's understood the former Stocks and Securities manager, Jean Paton, was escorted to the property to witness the police search. A video on social media shows an ailing Ms. Paton assisted from a vehicle using a walker. Paton has already provided a sworn statement, confessing to having stolen millions of dollars from over 40 people. However, Sprint King Usain Bolt, who is said to have lost almost $13 million, was not among the victims she named. While police have come and gone from the property, they remain tight-lipped as to some details of their investigation. In a fraud case that has already been described as unprecedented, only time will tell what the final toll will be for the victims. Siobhan Campbell for Nationwide News.
He was a special advisor to you. Andrew Holness, Zachary Harding, a special advisor. You went to SSL to acquire funds to build your house. Wait, something wrong, man. Special advisor. Zachary Harding. Oh, Lord Jesus. No, Jesus. So is this the reason why you have to keep silent? Is this the reason why you have to keep silent? But a brokerage firm is not a bank. So how did you get the money?
All right. Partner draw.
No, sir. This is a... Uno want to understand. Uno connect the web with me now, students. Students. Uno connect the web with me now, students. Hi. Uno connect. No, I want to understand. Uno connect. A special advisor is the CEO of SSL. The man go SSL. Ah! SSL in a serious money fraud and laundering. And you're telling me, Jamaica, the Prime Minister is silent. Oh, you're silent, Andrew Holness, because of your connections and affiliations to Harding and Crosskey. It is evident, Andrew Holness, that you are a part of the web. Yeah, and in your you call. That's why you call Nigel Clark last night until he put out a statement. Because you know you can't put out the statement for your friend. Now you understand why him can't talk Jamaica. Won't somebody call both for me? Him hand in him mouth. prime minister of a country and this major financial irregularities happening in the country, and you're damn silent on it. You can't talk. See there? You're Greek Zachary Harding, CEO of SSL. Friend and company. Special advisor to you and Ed Bartlett. The same friend lend you the money to go build your house. And the same friend tell us if you got open up trust higher. And the same friend show you if you got open up trust. Sharnette. And what you said here? They couldn't have. Sharnette. No, sir. No, this is where they stink. It nasty. So I can safely say tonight, Jamaica, I don't finish with the web yet. I don't finish with the web yet. I don't finish with the web yet. But the spider, look at this one. Wayne, don't tell them what I'm discussing tomorrow. Don't put it up yet, Wayne. You will know more about the web.
Now, of course, when people look on Jean, they must say, if a she really take the money, defraud so much hard-working Jamaicans, so much hard-working investors, Jean look like a big woman, a respectable member of society. And recently, where Monique Baines and Andre Stevens are pointing out something too. What take place on the island, and the reason why crime and violence has flourished, is because in this day and age, criminals are not only who we think they are. With Wagwan, the Donnelly Donaldson case, and murder accused being a farmer, JCF, we said they are criminals within law enforcement. And with Wagwan, with the Ranko case, clearly criminals exist within law enforcement. Now we see numerous cases with pastors and clergymen caught in a criminal activity. While a politician, well, I think only one. But aside from that, a politician has never been brought before the courts for criminal activity. But we have seen the US name politicians that they believe are involved in criminal activity. The US, the State Department. And now we see wealthy uptown financial advisors being exposed. Because think about it. What the FSC say is that them notice this take place from 2012. Who knows how long before that it happened? It seems as if many of the socialites and the quote-unquote respectable people in a society are who people would assume are respectable people, and also involved in criminal activity. And while we have heard many stories, hear people say this and hear people say that, when you see it in the headlines like this are the proof. This is not hearsay. You see Ctoc go search her apartment. I remember she still has she not touch bold 12 mil. Bold 12 million US. Gina said, and never she deal with that. And if she confess to taking so much other individuals' money, I don't see why she just keep both name. But as some people are point out, maybe she'll wait that she can use this as a deal with the prosecutors. Who knows? But if she are one of the higher ups, and it's how much she take, that means a higher ups I take the money. And a similar situation we see across the board. Always managers, branch managers, and things like that. And them have the access, and them have the know-how. And I guess I just them not care about hard-working people. You hear some people are saying Gina was pretending when exiting the RD van based on some other pictures and footages that people might have seen on social media. Some people are guessing no, those are older photographs, older video footages. But I know. Tell me what you think. And in your minds, seeing Gina, seeing the way she exit the vehicle, you know what I mean? And basically had to be helped in to the apartment while just to be there while law enforcement conducted their search, which are part of our constitutional right. Many of our attorneys were there when this is going on. And basically, as far as we see it, she clearly cooperated with law enforcement because there's not much she can really say or do. Everything out there, names have been named, amount of money has been detailed. All she can do now is cooperate with law enforcement and hope say, you know, when our situation is brought to the justice system, the judge will look on the fact say she cooperate. She never try to waste law enforcement time, never try to waste the court time. When I look on her and see it, I say, yo, big woman like she, for go to time behind bars, for people money, at fair age. And then we think about the people who lose them millions, who work hard, but say must set him side, must set aside the money rather. So basically in retirement. So basically they must say, she take other people retirement for fair retirement. It's not justified. Clearly, somebody have to get held accountable. And look at Gina. Of course, law enforcement now got detail them investigations. But clearly, they might investigate all the top people who work for our executives at SSL. If you're new to the channel, subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Of course, put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of our fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.